Welcome back, herb enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor herb gardening, where you can bring the freshness of the outdoors right into your home. And what better way to start than with an indoor herb garden kit? But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest herb gardening tips and tricks. Now, let's talk about the star of today's show, the medicinal garden kit. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit is perfect for cultivating your very own medicinal herbs right at home. Inside this comprehensive kit, you'll find everything you need to kickstart your indoor herb garden journey. And what's truly special about this kit is the selection of medicinal herbs it offers. From soothing chamomile to revitalizing peppermint, you'll have a diverse range of herbs at your fingertips, each with its unique health benefits. Now, let's talk about why indoor herb gardening, especially with the medicinal garden kit, is such a game changer. Firstly, having your own indoor herb garden means you have fresh herbs at your disposal whenever you need them. No more last-minute trips to the store. Whether you're brewing a calming cup of chamomile tea or adding a dash of aromatic basil to your pasta, the possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Indoor herb gardening isn't just about convenience and flavor. It's also incredibly rewarding. There's something truly therapeutic about nurturing these plants and watching them grow day by day. Plus, knowing that you're cultivating your own medicinal herbs adds an extra layer of satisfaction. And with the medicinal garden kit, you'll have all the guidance you need to succeed, whether you're a beginner or an expert gardener. So, if you're ready to embark on your indoor herb gardening journey and experience the joys of growing your own medicinal herbs, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the medicinal garden kit today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.